In the Accokeek area, where heavy rainfalls are not uncommon, the reliability of your sump pump is crucial to keeping your basement dry and protecting your home from water damage. Sump pump failures, often occurring during these critical times, can result from a variety of issues, including power outages, improper installation, or simply a lack of regular maintenance. Such failures can lead to significant water damage, mold growth, and other costly problems. If you find yourself facing the aftermath of a sump pump failure or want to take preventive measures, there's no need to face it alone. Call 888-501-1193 today to get in touch with qualified plumbing professionals who can ensure your sump pump is in top working condition, ready to protect your home from the next downpour. Don't wait for the next storm to find out your sump pump isn't up to the task. Act now to safeguard your home.